If you are a non-resident Indian or OCI holder, you are residing outside India, this video is really important for you. And through this video, I'm going to share some important tips for you that you need to keep in mind while visiting India this time. And if you are visiting India, do keep these 10 important things in mind. So the first is that when you are coming here, please ensure that in your bank account, all your latest details related to your address, your mobile, email, your visa, your passport, all these details should be updated in your bank account. Second thing that you need to make sure that your saving bank account is converted into NRO account, and in case your saving bank account is opened with any traditional bank which do not have any good IT infrastructure, it is highly recommended that you close that account and keep a new account or open a new account in some bank which has a good IT infrastructure and you can access through your mobile once you are back to your country. The third important point is that if you have a Demat account, please make sure that Demat account is also converted to NRO account. Keeping Demat or saving account without having NRO account is a crime. It's a FEMA non-compliance, and maybe some penalties be charged or notices be received by you in case you don't follow this compliance. So it is highly recommended that you first convert your saving bank account to NRO account, and second, convert your Demat, normal Demat, which is associated to the saving bank account, to the new NRO account and get it associated ASAP. Now, there are some scenarios like you receive payments, etc., in your saving bank account from maybe your tenants, etc. In that case, if you are upgrading your saving bank account to NRO, generally in the banks, there is a facility to keep the same account number. So you can avail that facility. But in some cases, it happens that suppose you are closing your saving bank account in a traditional account and now you're opening in a new account. So in that case, you need to make sure that you share the latest NRO account details with those tenants, etc., so that you receive your payments timely. Okay, so now in some cases, what happens is that your NRO account is being used for EMI payments, etc. So in that case, what you can do is that supposing your NRO account is running out of money, you can give instructions to your bank that they can transfer the amount from NRI account to your NRO account automatically. That facility is also available. Okay, so the next point is that in case you are already holding a PAN number, okay, please make sure that first of all you do not hold multiple PAN numbers, because again it's a crime. You have to surrender multiple PAN cards and keep only the one which has the correct information. Okay. In case you do not have PAN card, it is quite easy to apply. Why I'm saying this? Because having PAN card will help you in a lot of things, specifically if you are having properties, doing transactions in India. Okay. You can apply for a e-PAN card also. You can keep that e-PAN card with you. That will really help you for managing all your transactions, for managing all the things. But do not keep multiple PAN cards. And also make sure that your first name, middle name, last name are correct. Your date of birth is correct. Because in some cases we have seen that these mistakes are there and there are issues in linking PAN-Aadhaar. So that is the important thing that you need to make sure. Now the next one is Aadhaar. If you already have Aadhaar, then this is relevant for you. That your Aadhaar name, your email ID, your mobile number, all the details that you have given in the Aadhaar, your biometric, etc., should be correct, because you cannot change multiple times your name specifically. You cannot change in the Aadhaar. So please go to the nearest Aadhaar center once you visit here in India and get it corrected. Okay, so this is also one of the important compliance to be done. Now, in some cases, we have seen that NRIs, specifically when you are holding the bank accounts here in India and you have various transactions, you get OTPs, etc. Always highly recommended that you keep a mobile number, okay, Indian mobile number, and this Indian mobile number should be specifically linked to your accounts, your Aadhaar, everywhere, and on your income tax portal's credentials, so that you get all the update, notification, SMS, OTPs, etc. on this number. Highly recommended to have it, and it will not cost you more, but definitely it's going to help you for all the OTPs, etc. Now the most important thing is that once you are in India, do visit a chartered accountant, and in case you don't have a chartered accountant, you can reach out to me, also a chartered accountant. And why you have to visit your chartered accountant? Because you need to make sure that whatever transactions you have been doing, whatever TDS are getting deducted, okay, whatever Demat transaction or whatever things are happening in your account, You need to make sure that whether any tax compliances are required to be done, not to be done. Always better to get your ITRs filed here in India also. You can avail DTAA benefit, which is double taxation avoidance agreement benefits. You will get tax credits. You will not be charged double taxes on the same income. Okay. Also, there are many times we have seen that people miss to file their ITR, even the TDS that is deducted, they fail to claim it and they fail to claim the refunds also. So again, this is really important for you that you make sure that all the filings or compliances are done. And specifically, if you are doing any transactions of property related transactions here in India, do make sure that all your 15 CACB related compliance, lower TDS deductions, if you need any support help in that, we can also help you in that. But do make sure that you are getting it done timely. So visiting your chartered accountant is a must, and do not forget to do this. And one last thing important to this particular taxation thing is that do update your NRI status in your ITR portal so that you get the benefits of having NRI status, and there is no obligation on you to file ITR in case it is not applicable. Okay, so make sure that you update the NRI status as well in your income tax portal's credentials. Mostly we have seen that related to the properties that you are holding in India. You might have given your property on rent, so please make sure that the municipal taxes are paid. The tenant is paying the society tax or association tax. Do not miss it. Generally, NRIs take it granted and they don't pay it, and we have observed this, so it is highly recommended you get it paid. And then comes the other stuff like some maintenance or repair or something has to be done. Please make sure that you get it done, and if any dues are there from your tenants, please make sure that you take it from them, or in case your tenants agreements are to be renewed, you can always have a better rental agreement with them if it is expired or going to be expired. So please ensure about that part also. In some cases, you might have taken loan, your home, etc. Please make sure that if payments have been done, take a nil statement from the bank, and also take the no dues or the clearance certificate from the bank for the payment you have done. Plus, always make sure that you collect your original documents from the bank and keep it in your records. Okay, so that is also one of the most important things, that you need to take back your original documents that you have given to the bank for taking the loan. Now, the last and the most important point is that it's not for you, it's for all of us, including me. Our parents have done a lot for us, and they have done a lot of things for us. They have not taken education loan, they have sent you abroad, okay, and sacrificed a lot for you, spent a lot for you, okay. They have made you what you are today. So please ensure that their health insurances are properly there, okay. Do check their economic conditions, that whether they are able to meet up their expenses or not, and do them, and make sure that wherever they are living, that is a secure place. In case you feel that you need to change their current location wherever they are residing, please make sure that they are moved to more safer places in urban areas, okay, or semi-urban areas, okay, wherever their preferences. Or you can take back them along with you to your country by getting their documentation, etc. done if you want to. I'm not saying that you do that, but if you wish to get it done. And I hope you like these points, and please make sure that you meet all your friends, go out with your family, your friends, and have good meetups within your social circle. So see you, Mangodera here, signing off. Do subscribe our channel in case you like this video, and do share it across your network. Thank you so much.